When people notice that they're struggling to hear conversations, television, or everyday sounds, they may immediately think they need a hearing aid. But before interpreting changes in hearing, it's important to consider whether something is affecting the ear itself. A significant buildup of earwax can block the ear canal and may cause symptoms such as muffled hearing, a blocked sensation, or ringing or buzzing sounds. This matters because a hearing assessment is designed to give an audiologist information about how well you're hearing different sounds. If excessive wax is present, it may make it more difficult to examine the ear properly or obtain an accurate picture of what's happening with your hearing.